Hi, this is Rhonda Schaefer with Action Home Business. Both of my parents taught me to be kind to unkind people, even if they're blood relatives. If you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, or share it below. I cannot begin to tell you how difficult it is sometimes to be kind to someone who is being unkind or rude. Maybe you already know. What a valuable lesson. Why? Because returning unkindness with unkindness breeds more unkindness. When someone is rude, unkind to another, know that their bad behavior reveals a great deal about that person's true character, whether it be positive or negative. The same goes for you. The same goes for me. I've learned through experience someone's bad behavior never had anything to do with me personally. It had and has everything to do with them. It's about that unkind person's inside world. I don't take ownership of that, nor will I allow myself to be their scapegoat. I simply walk away, a little hurt for a while, but victimless. I hope you can drum up the courage to do the same, to quietly and serenely walk away. Not often acknowledged is unkind people often do it behind closed doors, or in other words, when they think nobody else is watching. Pretty sneaky, don't you think? Showing one face to the world, another in private. Well, guess what? You are watching. Trust in this. Sooner or later, that person's misery can no longer be hidden, and the truth eventually comes out one way or the other. From what I've observed over time, unkind people will always be that way until they take ownership of their inner demons and heal. That's on them. It's not your fault that they are the way they are. The same goes for me. The same goes for you. Meanwhile, learn to have a compassionate heart and don't allow yourself to be a doormat. Love and pray for that person or persons, for them to have all that is good and right in this world where it counts. Then step back and let them find their own way to the abundance, peace, harmony, and love that is out there for all who seek it. It makes a great recipe for all of us. Peace, harmony, love, and abundance. It makes for a better world, don't you think? With that said, this is Rhonda Schaefer with Action Home Business. If you found value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, make a comment below, and share it. Good day.